Many years ago, he looked out through a glassless window. All that he could see was Babylon. Beautiful green fields and dreams, and learned to measure the stars. But there was a worry in his heart. He said, how could it come to this? I'm really worried about living. How could it come to this? Yeah, I really want to know about this. What's it like today? Oh, whoa. Then there came a day it moved across the Mediterranean, came to Western Isles and Greek young men. And with their silver beards, they laughed at the unknown of the universe. They could just sit and guess God's name. But they said, how could it come to this? We're really worried about living. How could it come to this? Yeah, I really want to know about this. Is it like today? Oh, whoa. Well, then there followed days of kings, empires and revolution. The blood just looks the same when you open the veins. Sometimes it was faith, power, or reason as the cornerstone.